Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the precise steps to completely bypass that frustrating license credential error locking you out of their games. This specific roadblock occurs when your background activation module fails to properly validate your software ownership records against the main database. To resolve this instantly, log entirely out of your client profile, shut down the application, and close any lingering background tasks using your System Task Manager. Next, navigate directly into your local application directory, track down the configuration folder, and locate the digital entitlements file to delete it entirely so it can regenerate freshly. Once that file is cleared out, right-click on your software desktop shortcut, select the Properties menu, and check the box to force the application to run with full administrative rights. Finally, launch your digital storefront first to refresh your active session tokens. Open the tool, and your digital licenses will seamlessly authorize without any further technical disruption. Subscribe the channel for more videos.